go away. Well, never tell a pirate to go away, because I came back. So a few years back, I was investigating a case where there were questions about the legality of certain moves of RTL Group compared to the contract they have with the Luxembourg government. But even as an MP, nobody wanted to show me the contract. And so I said, well, constitutionally, an MP is there to control the government. And it's the first power. It's not the second or third. It's the first authority as a legislator to control the government. So I asked the government very nicely, can you show me the contract? And very nicely, they said no. So more insistently, I asked again. And even more insistently, they said no. So repeat that 2 more times, and I end up with a situation where I say, this can't be the case. You can't spend 10 million a year on a private company, and Parliament is not allowed to see whether that company is respecting the contract that they have with the Luxembourg government.
Just a clarification question.
And so I sued, go away. Well, never tell a pirate to go away, because I came back. They appealed that decision to the higher court, and they wrote a very interesting arrêt, as it's called, where they said, well, first of all, this is an administrative question because the Constitution says Parliament controls government. And it's up to Parliament to decide how that control looks. And that's how I won that case and got access to the documents. And later, the Constitution was amended during the constitutional reform to include a very specific language on MPs have the right to act to require documents. Well, Parliament has the right to require documents, and Parliament internally decided that every MP can address those requests.